Hey there, I'm Mark, your quizmaster for today. Welcome to the UK versus US English quiz. I'll give you a word that is used in British English and I want you to guess what they call it in American English. Let's get started. The countdown to the quiz has started. In the UK, they use the word postcode. In the US, they use zip code. In the UK, they use the word braces. In the US, they use suspenders. In the UK, they use the word rubber. In the US, they use eraser. In the UK, they use the word cinema. In the US, they use movies. In the UK, they use the word flyover. In the US, they use overpass. In the UK, they use the word toilet or loo. In the US, they use restroom. In the UK, they use the word biro. In the US, they use ballpoint pen. In the UK, they use the word zip. In the US, they use zipper. In the UK, they use the word return ticket. In the US, they use round-trip ticket. In the UK, they use the word fancy dress. In the US, they use costume. In the UK, they use the word jumper. In the US, they use sweater. In the UK, they use the word football. In the US, they use soccer. In the UK, they use the word current account. In the US, they use checking account. In the UK, they use the word dustbin lorry. In the US, they use garbage truck. In the UK, they use the word bonnet of a car. In the US, they use hood. In the UK, they use the word courgette. In the US, they use zucchini. In the UK, they use the word chemist. In the US, they use drugstore. In the UK, they use the word plaster. In the US, they use Band-Aid. In the UK, they use the word dummy. In the US, they use pacifier. In the UK, they use the word solicitor. In the US, they use lawyer. Great job! How many did you get right? Are you better at British or American English? Which one do you need to improve? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.